Hi everyone, I'm Chen Yu Huang from the Institute of Biomedical Engineering. Today we got more than 90,000 new COVID cases. Constantly changing COVID virus seems similar to the idea that Mother Nature is doing some unknown virus experiments on humans. We felt distressed, just like experimental animals, right? We both don't know what's happening and we are locked. Although we already have various vaccines to prevent COVID, medication options now are still limited. Well, that's because drug development is such a long and bumpy journey. According to the US FDA, it takes about 10 years and costs more than $3 billion to develop a new drug. But what's unfortunate is that 92% of the drugs fail in human clinical trials. So why do we conduct animal experiments? Well, because we want to simulate human diseases for future treatment. But what's unfortunate is that animal experiments cannot directly reflect human body's reactions because we are different. We are not rabbits or chimpanzees. So, if there are limitations to animal experiments, can they be reduced or even replaced? Is it possible to develop something more effective to improve scientific research? As a biomedical researcher, I believe that human health problems should be solved by humans. Thus, human cells are the best candidate. Nonetheless, human cells cannot perform well outside human bodies. They aren't alive because the environment has changed. Just like most people can sing out loud at home, but not in public. Therefore, we build a house in our lab for cells, and it's called lung on a chip. Let me show you the layout. In human lung, there are many alveoli, that is, tiny air sacs. To mimic the arrangement and behaviors of lung and vessel cells in the air sacs, human lung and blood vessel cells are lined on the opposite side in the house. Air flows over the upstairs for lung cells, and liquid medium flows downstairs for the vessel cells, just like the physical environment in human lung. Guess what? These cells live happily, so they demonstrate healthy lung tissue function. After introducing lung on a chip, what can we do with it? When we breathe, air enters the lungs and expands these tiny air sacs. Well, at the same time, unknown little particles also pass through them. To mimic people exposed to air pollution, we introduced PM2.5, one of the most dangerous particles to humans, into the upstairs lung cells. Unfortunately, we found that PM2.5 will gradually penetrate down to the bloodstreams, and we have also seen varying degrees of damage to healthy tissues. So these tiny particles will likely destroy human lung and continuously destroy other organs by circulating into the bloodstream. I believe that the value of scientific research is to help people and further promote social values. Organ on a chip, such as our lung on a chip, mimic human organs so it may reliably predict human body's reactions. Recently, famous pharma companies, including AZ and Johnson & Johnson, have used organ on a chip to speed up their COVID research. Even you can promote the idea of striking a balance between human health and reducing animal experiments in your daily life, simply by buying no animal testing products, cruelty-free. So, back to my first question. Can animal experiments be reduced or even replaced? Well, organ on a chip is a potential solution for the coming future. Thank you.